Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I would like to talk about the physical and chemical changes. Physical changes are changes in appearance only. But in a chemical change, new substances are formed. Okay guys, let's talk about the physical and chemical changes. Physical changes. Physical changes are change in appearance only. A new substance is not created and chemical bonds are not formed or broken. For example, take this stack of paper and welding it up into a smaller pieces is a physical change. It still has the same properties as the original paper. Cutting someone's hair is physical change because the hair has the same properties as original hair. Phase change are physical changes. When ice goes from a solid to a liquid to a gas and then back, those are physical changes. Most mixtures are physical changes. For example, mixing salt and water together is a physical change because the salt and water can be separated or later. A bottle made up of glass and breaks up to several small pieces. We say that change has occurred in the system because the bottle changed its shape and size. We know that each and every piece of the bottle is still glass above glass even though the glass changed shape and size. When it breaks, it doesn't form a new substance. Another example for physical change is cutting vegetable, mixing sugar and water. The result of mixing sugar and water called mixture. Chemical changes. On the other hand, create a new substance. It involves breaking or making chemical bonds between atoms. Chemical changes leave behind clues or indicators. Here are some indicators of a chemical change. Burning fire. If you see burning of fire, you have a chemical change. A temperature change without heating or cooling is an indicator of a chemical change. An explosion is an indicator of a chemical change. Change in color is a chemical change. Change in odor can be a clue that a chemical change has occurred. When you mix items and you see the bubbles or freezes, you have a chemical change. When we burn wood, we get ash and chemistry. We know that wood is organic materials and it is mainly made of carbon and hydrogen. That is why it is also known as a hydrocarbon. Burning organic material is known as a combustion. When we burn food and the presence of oxygen, we get carbon dioxide and water. This is chemical changes because hydrocarbon is converted into carbon dioxide and water. Another example of chemical changes is digestion. Different digestion complex molecules are converted into new simpler substances and the presence of enzymes. For example, carbohydrate is converted to glucose. Next, respiration. During respiration and the presence of oxygen, is converted to carbon dioxide plus water. Don't forget to submit your answer in classroom and keep healthy and safe. Don't forget to keep your pray. Okay? Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.